Are you locked out of your Land Rover Discovery Sport and you need to unlock a door? Then you need to watch this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on my 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the car using the manual key found inside your key fob, and this is useful if your key fob battery is dead, if the car's battery is dead, or if there's a problem with your central locking system. Now the first thing we're going to be doing is actually removing the manual key portion out of our key fob. And if you're like me, you may have your key fob in one of these jazzy covers. And I do want to just quickly plug this cover because I've been through quite a lot of them and this is by far the best one. I'm not in any affiliation with the supplier, I just really like it. And I will put a link in the description for this product as well. So if you've got a cover like I do, you're going to have to get that out, and they are a little bit tough, especially if they fit as well as this one. So you're just going to squeeze it out. And then once you get to that point, you can normally take hold of it. There we go, and just get it out. So once you've got your key looking like this, then all we're going to do is slide down the chrome portion like that, and then that exposes our manual key. So you're just going to go ahead and lift that out. Now it does have a little bit of a tab on there that you can flick out 90 degrees just to give a little bit more leverage as well. So now I'll show you where you put it in on the car. If you go ahead and have a look at all of the door handles on the car, you're going to notice that the driver's side actually has a little key symbol with an arrow pointing down. If you follow that arrow down, you're going to find this slot just under there, and that's where we're going to put our mechanical key. So just pop that in and you'll notice the plastic actually comes straight off like that. And that actually exposes this slot here, which is for the mechanical portion of the key. Just go ahead, pop that in, and now you can lock and unlock the car at your leisure. Now, if your central locking is broken, it will only open this door. So there you go, it can hopefully help you get out of some sticky situations. Once you're finished, just go ahead and pop that back on so that the key slot isn't exposed to the elements. So there you go, a nice quick easy video for you today, and hopefully that gets some of you out of a sticky situation. Just obviously always reassemble your key and make sure that mechanical portion's put back into your key fob in case you ever need to use it again. Well, if you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.